Agassaim Police have solved the murder case of boat owner Manjunath Harikant with the arrest of two laborers from Nagpur for their alleged involvement in the crime. Police sources said both accused were taken into custody after sustained investigation and interrogation based on technical evidence and lead gathered from the recovery of the body and movement of the boat. The arrested individuals have been identified as laborers who were reportedly walking in the coastal belt and are suspected to have come into contact with the victim during fishing-related activities. Officials are currently verifying their exact role in the incident and whether more persons were involved. Investigators are also probing the motive behind the killing and are examining all possible angles including personal dispute or financial issues. The weapon issued in the crime has not yet been recovered. The accused are expected to be produced before Agassaim Police for further interrogation while further investigation in the case is underway.